going to continue our journey of identifying major and minor chords, but we're going to play them in different ways. So yesterday I just did solid chords and we listened to that, but now I'm going to play chords in different sort of styles, to give you the practice of hearing them broken, hearing them bottom top, maybe hearing them Alberti bass, and so forth. So we're going to do the same kind of thing. Remember, a major chord, you're going to have your own sort of gut feeling about it, but it's generally positive, happy sounding. And a minor chord, generally a little mournful or melancholy. Again, rely on your gut, how it feels. That's really how you're going to... I know it sounds like such an unscientific thing. Just feel it out, man. How does the chord feel? I know it sounds really wishy-washy, but that's actually going to be the fastest way to connect to whether or not a chord is major or minor, because there's not really a good way by ear to do it in sort of a technical fashion. And if you're going to hear something, eventually the goal with being able to discern different types of chords is being able to maybe hear something on your streaming music service or your CD player or your MP3 player. I guess we're going back to the olden days. You're going to be able to hear, oh, this is a nice chord progression. Oh, we're going from the minor to the major to the major to the major. We're going from the 4-5-1-4 chord pattern or something like that. We want to be able to pick them out of pieces that we're learning. It makes it, it gives you the ability, once you're good at this, to listen to something and then figure it out. So we want to be able to, and again, this is done not in such a linear, there is a little bit of theoretical stuff, but for the most part, we feel the chords, and that's how we know instantly if it's major or minor. So that's what we want to practice. Okay, let's begin. That is a major chord in a waltz pattern. That is a major chord in a broken chord pattern. I don't know what kind of pattern that was, maybe polka, but it is a minor chord. A little bit of a 1-3-5-8 pattern, and this is minor. It's got that dreary, sort of rainy sound to it. That's an Alberti bass pattern, and it's major. Got a bit of a bottom top pattern, and it's minor. This is a nice little minor chord pattern. Got another arpeggio pattern, and it's major. Going back to the waltz, we've got a major chord. I wanted to stick with the waltz theme, and that's a minor chord. Back with a broken chord pattern, and it's minor. Two more. pattern, which is major. Last one. That is an Alberti bass pattern, and it's